welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm excited to have you on board. Today's video we are going to be doing my favorites. This video never really gets a lot of love. I don't know why, but I'm going to show you guys what I have been enjoying, what has literally become my favorite, and also one of them happens to be what I am wearing on my eyes today. So if you want to see what I have been loving, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have them in this like little container thing here. I don't know what you want to call it, but if you set it right here, hopefully it won't fall. I have it on like the edge of my bed, and I'm going to show you guys what I have been loving, why I've been loving it, and why it's so great, right? So I don't know, maybe I'll sit it on my lap because I really can't see from over there to over here. Shall we do skincare first? Let's do that first. Okay, so the first one is Dermalogica, and it is the Calm Water Gel. This thing has been amazing for my skin as far as dryness goes. Completely awesomely takes care of my dry skin. I don't have a problem. It doesn't break me out. It does calm my redness down a little bit. I noticed that when I am using this product that my skin is a little less irritated, a little less red. Really would highly recommend it. This is the product right here. Let's see, next one, another Dermalogica product. This one is the powder exfoliating microfoliant. I have a problem saying that, you guys. Don't make fun of me. But it is this little product right here. It is a powder that turns into a face wash like. It's supposed to exfoliate your skin. I think it does an amazing job, and believe it or not, it does not leave my skin irritated. And I usually, when I'm using this one, I will follow up with the other product that I just showed you, which is the water gel cream. Another product here is by Youth City People. I have really grown fond of their products here lately. My hair is out of control. I really love them. I find that I don't get irritated with their products for my skin. I don't get irritation. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't make my skin red. This product here is amazing. Let me see if I can set that here for a second. Let me show you guys the inside of it. This is just it's a Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask, and I use this like almost every night. I'm not sure if you're supposed to, but I do. It's almost all gone. So I will apply this. Let me see. Let me get the other piece to it, you guys. Here it is right here. So I usually only use this one about 3 times a week, and I use this one like every day at night. So I will take like a cotton swab or like the Xoxoxo cottons and drench it with this little fella right here, wipe it all over my face, wait about 5 minutes, and then I will put on the Dream Mask afterwards. These two fellas right here I've been using for a little while, and as you can see, they have been getting a lot of love. I am obsessed, you guys, obsessed. Those are my favorites. I don't think I have any more in here because that's about the only thing I've really been doing for my skin, except for that Sephora face wash that I showed you guys repeatedly in a number of videos. Like, we all know that's my favorite. The next one I have here is just some pharmacy makeup remover wipes. These things here are hot damn. You guys need to hook yourself up with these if you have not. The rest of it is just going to be like makeup, you guys. Makeup and brushes. And I will give you guys a warning now that my brushes need to be cleaned, but they were my favorites and I didn't want to wait. I wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully you guys won't hate me too much. Okay, so the first one is an oval pharmacy brush. You guys, it's dirty. I used it today, so it kind of looks like this. It's just I'm so ashamed it looks like this, but it's just one of the little regular pharmacy brushes here. I like to use this, and what I do with it when I put on my foundation, and I just pour it right onto the brush, and I'll just dab it into my face like this. And once I get it in, like if you were beauty blendering, then I would just go ahead and start smoothing it out. But that's a really good brush. I have one of the, what do they call these? I almost forgot the name of these brushes. I think it's by Real Techniques. It's just a fan brush. Got this at TJ Maxx probably back in October for like $3-4. This is like one of the best highlighting brushes, which I used today, that I have ever fell in love with this fast. I'm telling you, like normally I'll go back and forth between brushes. This one here I use every day. A couple other brushes that I have here is from Miss Glam. You guys know, if you've been following me, that I won these. I'm so excited, you guys. She was doing a live with Madison Miller on Instagram, and Madison had picked me. She scrolled through and she picked my name, so I was so stoked to get these, and look how pretty they are. Like, it has like the little diamond studs right there. These are so good, you guys. And this one here is what I bronzed my face with today. This little guy right here. These are amazing. I love these. And this is my blush one. I also have the eyeshadow brushes, but I really haven't been using those right now because I have the other brushes that has been my favorite for a long time, and I don't want to dirty up the other ones. So I really haven't been using them. But when I do, I'm pretty sure they're going to be a favorite. So stay tuned. This is pitiful, you guys. You guys are going to get a kick out of this, okay? Like, this is one of the Sonona, I think it's Sonona brushes, right, from Target. I had it for a while, and it broke off of the handle, and I just can't find myself to throw it away. Something happened to the brush handle. I don't know what happened to it, but I cannot throw it away, you guys. It blends out like a dream. I'm going to have to go see if they have the exact same brush to buff out my makeup with from that brand, because I am obsessed, you guys. No joke. I am literally obsessed with that brush. And like, I have a bunch of her brushes, and the other one that I use is kind of like, did I throw it in here? I forgot to throw it in here, but it's just like a blending brush for eyeshadow. I've had them for years, and I use that one all the time too. I should put this in. This is like skincare, I guess. So this is just like one of those little razors that I use for my face, like to get all the peach fuzz off. And I actually got this at my local Kroger. It was like $10 or $12, not very expensive. I use it all the time. I use it to like trim underneath my eyebrows. I use it to get the peach fuzz off. I even use it on my arms, and like I think they had this one and like a pink one. I think my daughter got the pink one. My husband picked this one up for me, so naturally I got the green. My beauty blender is also dirty, you guys, but y'all know about this. I don't gotta say too much. It's explanatory for itself, but like, that's one of my favorite things. I love to powder my face with that. Like, it's amazing, especially like if you are, what did they call that? I almost forgot what they call it. Like, baking. I love to put my powder on there and bake my face. I have a couple primers here. The first one is Too Faced Hangover RX. This little guy right here was a big guy, but this is one of my favorite primers of all time. I find that it smooths out the skin, helps your makeup last like forever, okay? It's just really amazing, and it makes the skin look really smooth. Highly recommended if you guys haven't tried it, which I'm sure that you already have. Another primer that I have been digging is the one from Pharmacy, VFX Pro Camera Ready, and this little guy here is amazing. Smooths out the skin. This one has the Hangover RX is like a creamy feel to it. And this one here has like more of a silicone texture to it, but they both do amazing as far as hiding out your like pores and smoothing your skin. Let's see, I have two foundations. This one is Stay Matte Pharmacy Mineral Enriched Makeup. It is pore minimizing. I will give it that it does do that, and it does control the oil. I have mine in porcelain. I'm not wearing this one today. I'm going to show you the one that I am wearing, but this one here is really good. I like to compare it to the Double Wear by Estee Lauder. It is just that good, you guys. Really, it is just that good. Let me see if you guys can get a really good feel of it. There we go. The next one is VFX Pro Camera Ready Foundation. Now, I like to pair this one up with the VFX Pro Camera Ready primer that I just showed you. This one is also in porcelain. This one is really nice to you guys. I think these are both pretty comparable to Estee Lauder Double Wear, except for the Stay Matte probably has just a little bit more coverage to it with the staying power and like the smoothness of it. I think you can compare both of these pretty much to the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Okay, one of the best inventions of life, and I picked this guy up for $4.99 at TJ Maxx. I've had it for a while. It gets a lot of love. It's just one of those things that you clean your brushes up in between when you are doing your makeup, which I'm really terrible about cleaning my brushes. I won't even lie, but this thing is really good. If you guys probably already know about that too, but it's really good. Let's see. I have just these eyelash curlers, which are my favorite from Pharmacy. So Inexpensive Basic Black. Love them. I curl my lashes every time I do them, except for today because I was wearing eyelashes, so I did not curl today, which I probably still should have. And I want to tell you guys about these eyelashes, and they become my favorite. I know I just put them on, but they are like highly my favorite. Like, I normally struggle to get lashes on. These went right on like a dream, and the band is really thin, and they're so comfortable. I don't even know I have them on, to be honest. It's just like wearing mascara to me. But I got them at the Dollar Tree, you guys, for $1. I'm telling you, if you guys have a Dollar Tree, go check it out because they have some really amazing stuff there. The next one is just the Pharmacy blush. I've been wearing the crap out of this one, and it really hasn't made a dent in it. It's what I have on my cheeks today. Just that really pretty pink color. It's just called Pink. It's in our Valentine's Day set that we had that just came out. And this also came with it, and this is like the cutest color ever, but it doesn't go on like that. I'm gonna put a little on, guys. Let's just put a little on so you guys can see. That also comes with a blush set and a mascara. It smells and tastes this fruity, you guys. It's really nice. So it's just this. This is a favorite too, of course. I love that one. What else do we have in here? I have a lot of pharmacy products, guys. I'm really sorry, but I've really been loving them, and I've really been using the crap out of them. This is just a 3-in-1 palette. It's called our Peach Bite palette. It has a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush in here. The next one is a pharmacy concealer. This thing is amazing. It's what I have on today. I use this every time I do my makeup. It is literally one of the best concealers I've ever used, except for my NARS. I love my NARS. This is my NARS is my favorite, you guys. This is our Limitless Mascara by Pharmacy. It's pretty comparable to Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced. It's really nice. I love this one. I wear this every time I'm not wearing lashes. That will be what I wear. 2 lip products, 205 and 201. This one is Skin. I love this one. It's a liquid lipstick. When this goes on your lips, it doesn't budge. You can wear that all day long, eat, drink, and maybe touch up like later toward the night. Like, it stays for a very long time, you guys. This is 205. I do believe this is either Brave or Confident. I'm not sure, but it is what I have on my lips today. Absolutely love it. I wear the 2 of those like nobody's business. It's either one or the other. Every once in a while I'll go between it and like do a brighter color, but that for the most part is the ones I wear. Okay, so I do have a little bit of this on. I didn't go crazy with the liner, just put a little bit on. It is Pharmacy makeup. It's a gel eyeliner, which I am stoked that I was able to find this from Pharmacy, because I have been looking for the longest time for the one from e.l.f. because I used to use that all the time. I absolutely love that. It's so easy to apply. A little bit goes a very long way. I'm so stoked to have this. I really would like to find the one from e.l.f. because that one was amazing. I love that one. When I really got sad when it ran out and stuff and I couldn't use it anymore. Oh well, right? The next one is, this reminds me of the MAC Paint Pod. Is that what it's called? I don't know, something like that. It's an eye primer, but this is by Pharmacy. And that's really what it reminds me of. I use this all the time, you guys, and hardly made a dent out of it, but see if you guys can see. It has like, I don't know, is that like a salmon color? But it is just an eyeshadow base primer. I like to use that. It really does really good about taking out the discoloration and the pigment in your eyelids so that you can get a smoother application for your eyeshadow. Of course, so I always conceal too, even after the fact that I use that. Let me see. I'm trying not to lose my little bucket here that I have all of my favorites in, you guys. The next one is the Pharmacy Glam Up palette. Looks like this. This has really been a favorite lately, you guys. I actually have Gold Tail. Which one is it? This is Gold Tail. I actually stuck that in my corners a little bit today. That's what I have there. It's such a pretty palette, you guys. So many neutrals right there, right? The next one is, I love this stuff, you guys. I only end up getting the baby, and just because it was cheaper, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to like pay a lot of money for a face spray and not like it. But I got the baby, and it is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. It's an airbrush setting spray. This thing is amazing. It smells really good. It has like a floral scent to it. I really do like this. I noticed that not necessarily my makeup lasts any longer than it normally does because I set the shit out of it with powder and everything. But this one here is really, really good. I really love this one. It does make your face look smoother. I will tell you that. I didn't wear it today. I should have, but I forgot. I was too busy putting on my makeup and I had to do a couple of things. So I didn't get to do that today. The next one is, and this is what I have right here on my eye, and it is the Neon Huda Beauty palette. I love this one, you guys. I have the 2 shades, like, I'm trying not to blind you. This shade and this shade right there in the inner corner. Those 2 shades are the ones that I have on, but they are so, so pretty. I'm obsessed with this palette. I absolutely love it. It doesn't get enough love, though, because I just started using it again. I've had it probably since, like, last March, I think. I need to get better at using my bold colors. So Here is the big daddy that I have on my eyes, which is Hit the Lights palette. I'm obsessed, really obsessed. I've really been getting into a lot of bold colors. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Really been getting into a lot of bold colors, and I'm going to show you which colors I used on my eyes today. I just put my hand in now. Did you see that, guys? I just put it in there. That's a really pretty color. I used that the other day for something else. Let's see. I used the green all over the upper lid. I used that by my brow bone, and I took the blue and just put it in the corner a little bit, and then I showed you the other stuff that I used. But these are really pretty colors. Like, they have so many colors in there. Okay, guys, we have reached the end to this video. That is everything that I've been loving for this month, and I'm so excited because I have like a lot of new products to try out that I can't wait to see if I'm going to enjoy them. But you guys know I will always share that with you, whether I enjoy them or I hate them. We're gonna put them on the video, you guys. I didn't have any dislikes this time. That might be something I start doing too, whether I, you know, put my favorites in there and then put my dislikes in there. Tell me what you guys think. That is a long video, you guys. So I would love to see, or love to hear what you guys have been loving. Leave me something in the comments. Tell me what you guys have been loving. Give this video a thumbs up if you watch to the end. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, guys, have a good night. Bye.